The calm before the storm has never felt this powerful. Selena Gomez didn't just return to the spotlight, she owned it. While others chased attention, she arrived with confidence, purpose, in a Grammy-nominated song that said everything without saying a word. Watching her rise again felt like the world finally catching up to the truth. In 2026, Selena doesn't need drama or noise. Her strength shows in silence. She didn't fake headlines or stir controversy. She released Blue Flame with Benny Blanco, and it didn't go viral because of hype, it stayed because it was real. The kind of song that grows on you, then never lets go. A reminder that peace can be the strongest form of revenge, as Selena glided through Grammy season. Calm and glowing as a 3-time nominee, it became clear she isn't chasing attention. She is the attention. While others try to look unbothered, Selena simply lives it. Her growth feels natural, earned, and unshakable.